In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Hostinger domain to Cloudflare. Start by signing into your Cloudflare account and click Add a Domain. Enter your domain name and choose the free plan to continue. Next, Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records. Review the records carefully to make sure your website and email records have been imported correctly. If anything is missing, add it before moving on. After that, Cloudflare will display 2 custom name servers. Keep this page open because you'll need these name servers in the next step. Now sign into your Hostinger account and go to Domains. Select your domain, open the name server settings, and choose the option to use custom name servers. Replace the current name servers with the 2 provided by Cloudflare, then save your changes. Next, return to Cloudflare and click Continue. Cloudflare will begin checking your domain. DNS propagation can take a few minutes or up to 24 hours, although it's often much faster. Once the domain becomes active, review your DNS records one more time and verify that they point to the correct hosting provider. You can also configure SSL, caching, and security settings from your Cloudflare dashboard. Finally, visit your website to confirm that it loads correctly through Cloudflare. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a Hostinger domain to Cloudflare. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.